Today we will talk about trading, and this will be the contents for anyone who wants to start trading. After this video you will know exactly what you need to learn when you're starting out and when you want to become a trader. When I started, guys, and I am actually creating this video exactly because of this reason, that when I started out, guys, I couldn't find one good video which could explain me, or video series or tutorial which could explain me what trading is and where I need to start, what I need to study, and everything in one place. And here you go, guys, this will be video for you who wants to start trading, because I have created this as small as possible. I compressed all information, put it all together, and I have been trading already for 5 years. I am successful in my trading currently, and that's why I decided to give back and create a video tutorial for anyone who wants to start learning to trade. In this video, let's go through and understand what trading is. First thing is, trading is not gambling, and you should educate yourself. First 3 years of my trading, I was completely unsuccessful. I was losing lots of money. Obviously there were some winning trades, there were some losing trades, but most of them were losing trades. And you should understand, guys, that you will never ever be a successful trader if you will not study, because all traders who are professional traders, they have actually done their education and they still educate themselves every day. But at the very beginning you should educate yourself, because trading is not gambling. And once you educate yourself, you understand when to take positions, how to take positions, how to manage your risks. But if you haven't done this, you will be playing with your money and most likely you will lose it. And this is exactly the reason why 90% of people out there are losing their money. I can't even stress it enough, guys, but you should educate yourself. If you want to drive a car and you have never driven a car, you will need to educate yourself to drive that car. If you want to drive a bicycle and you have never driven a bicycle, you will need to educate yourself to drive that bicycle. If you will not do this, you will most likely crash. And this is what happens with 90% of new traders, because they haven't educated. And I'm repeating this, I know, guys, I might sound a little bit annoying, but I can't stress this, guys, how important it is to educate yourself if you want to start trading. Otherwise, if you put your money on the table, you will lose it. Better send it to me if you are trading without educating yourself, because you will lose your money most likely. Like 90% of people by statistics are losing their money in trading. So, guys, now let's jump in, and in this video, like I mentioned, you will understand everything you need to know about trading. So this is the trading tutorial for beginners. We're in a couple of videos. I don't know how many videos will be there, but I will show you and explain you and will teach you trading basics, or pretty much trading, not only basics. You will know how to trade in financial markets, so as cryptocurrency markets, but I will be showing you everything on Bitcoin example. In trading, 3 steps to learn trading. There are only 3 steps, but these steps are bigger. We will talk about them also in this video, guys. First step is preparation. Second step is education and trading strategy plus trading plan. This is pretty much outcome, because each trader has their own trading strategy and each trader has their trading plan, and you have to create your trading strategy and trading plan. But obviously you will not be able to create your trading strategy and trading plan if you haven't educated yourself. You can ask any trader in the world, if you know any successful trader, does he has his trading strategy? And his trading strategy is written down on paper, so as his trading plan is written down on paper, and he follows this trading strategy and his trading plan. So what is trading strategy? I will give you a quick insight. So these are different patterns, for example, or different indicators which trader is following, and he takes trade only when this pattern comes through. For example, this is a breakout in price, or this indicator comes through. These patterns and indicators are matching, and only then trader takes a trade. And if you know any successful traders, then you should know, guys, that there is a huge and very rich successful traders which make trades only 3 to 4 times a year. So ask yourself a question, why they do this? Exactly because they are waiting for trading patterns or trading indicators or their trading strategy and trading plan to be as close to possible to take a trade. When you are entering trade, it doesn't mean meet requirements of your trading strategy and trading plan, guys. Most likely you will lose money, but we will talk about discipline as well in future videos. And here preparation is first, education, trading strategy and trading plan. So trading strategy and trading plan is outcome. This is what you will get at the very end when you will go through education process and will understand charting, patterns, indicators, and what to learn actually, because most of you probably who are new to trading, you don't even know what to learn, where to start. And this was my problem when I started to learn trading. Step 1, preparation. As we talked, we have 3 steps: preparation, education, trading strategy and trading plan. So first step is preparation. So what is included in preparation is financial instruments and what to trade. In preparation, if you want to become a trader, obviously you want to know what instruments are there, what you can trade. And under financial instruments we can talk about stocks, and stocks is the same as shares. So stocks or shares, so CFDs, futures, obligations, and many more things which you can trade. And we will look at them also in two different financial instruments in my video, so you understand what instruments are there to trade. And cryptocurrencies we will talk, and like I mentioned, I will be basing all this tutorial on Bitcoin trading, because me myself, I'm currently trading Bitcoin. This is one of the markets which has a good volatility, it has a good volume, and I can make successful trades and make lots of money, guys. And I'm trading futures. I will also be showing this in my videos. So trading platforms and brokers. So you have to choose. If you are, for example, trading stocks or something like that, you will need to find a broker. What is brokers? I will also talk in these videos when we will get there. And trading platform, whether you want to use a trading platform, for example cryptocurrencies, guys, you can trade on trading platforms. You don't need any broker, you just find the trading platform like for example Binance, and you can start trading different cryptocurrencies without any broker. But in financial markets, if you want to trade, for example, stocks, you will need to get a broker, and I will show you also brokers in these videos and different trading platforms which you can use to trade. And charting tools. Each trader has at least one good charting tool which he is using, and where he is actually looking for indicators, where he is doing his chart analysis and looking for chart patterns and so on and so forth. So you should have at least one charting tool. And in my videos I will go over TradingView and I will show you how TradingView will work, how TradingView charting tool works, and this is absolutely free, and you will be able also to use it straight away after the video, and this will be my next video in this video series. So if you are interested, this will be the next video, guys, about charting tools. And technical trading, TA, technical analysis. So there are two types of trading pretty much, however most traders follow both of them. One type of trading is technical trading, TA, or technical analysis, where you are using indicators, where you are using chart patterns and so on and so forth. And then there is fundamental trading. And fundamental trading, it is, for example, there is a Bitcoin, and Bitcoin fundamentals, it could be like idea behind the particular project or technology behind the particular stock. And if we talk about Bitcoins, then Bitcoin could be like one fundamental idea why its price could go up is because it will ever be, there will ever be only 21 million Bitcoin ever created. Demand and supply controls its price. You could think about this, but I will also create a video on this subject, technical trading at TA and fundamental trading, what are differences and what you should know about it. So first thing from these 3 steps, preparation, and now we will get into education. So after you have prepared yourself, after you know financial instruments, you have decided what you are going to trade, you know platform, and you have chosen a broker, and you have chosen a charting tool, and you understand now in general what is technical trading and fundamental trading, you go into education. And education is everything about charting, guys. And not only. As you can see, point 1 is emotions and discipline. If you will not have these guys, you will most likely lose money, and most traders exactly lose money because of lack of emotions, control of their emotions and discipline. For example, here you go guys, if you have been trading or if you have been making any trades, so most likely you have lost money just because you have just lost one trade and then you jumped into another trade, and this happened because of your emotions, not because of your trading strategy or trading plan. You lost money, and this is one of the biggest things how traders and why traders are losing money. But we will talk about emotions and discipline also. And discipline means that you have to have a discipline to follow your trading strategy and your trading plan. If you don't have a discipline, you lose money. And most people who are in markets, they don't have this discipline, and that's exactly why there are so many people, or 90% of traders, who lose money. Firstly, they never ever educated themselves. This is one thing, and secondly, they don't even have a trading plan or trading strategy. If you are watching this video and you are trading and you are calling yourself a trader, for example, do you have a trading strategy and trading plan? If not, you are not a trader, you are a gambler, because all traders, all biggest traders, trading firms, companies, they have a trading strategy, and those people who work in that particular company or firm or trader who is trading with huge amounts of money, millions, this could be sometimes billions, guys, they all have trading strategy, and they never take a trade if those circumstances doesn't meet trading strategy and trading rules. But we will talk about this in separate video. And then second thing what you need to understand is candlesticks or candlestick patterns also, and trading indicators. There is about 10 to 15,000 different trading indicators which you can use, and I will be creating a playlist where I will be reviewing different trading indicators which I have been using, and there is lots of them. That's why I will be creating a couple of videos describing and explaining different trading indicators which can show you like entry points, and that's the purpose of trading indicators pretty much, because they allow you to find a good entry point. They are showing you whether market is overbought, for example, or whether market is oversold, how big volatility, what's the price action currently, and so on and so forth. We will talk about this also in trading indicators video. And then we have chart patterns, and this is different chart patterns which charts are drawing. You can have a good idea where price will be moving depending on those chart patterns. We will talk about this also in one of my future videos. So order types, trading types, order types, shorting and selling, and longing and buying Bitcoin. Longing and buying, what does it mean? We will also talk trading, opening and closing positions. I will show you in real account how to open and close positions, how to put stop losses, how to put take profits, and so on and so forth. And then we will talk about leverage trading, or also known as margin trading, and we will talk about risks about this, and about futures, because in futures you can also use always leverage, guys. And then we will talk about risk management and position size, which is also very, very important. And many new traders who are learning trading, they don't pay much attention to risk management and position size. However, this is very, very, very important, guys. You have to know how to manage your risks, and one thing, for example, is you never trade with all your accounts. You use stop losses if you are trading with a huge position in any way, because 1 week can wipe out your account in seconds, guys, and I am telling you, in seconds you can lose all your money if you don't use stop losses, for example. Or if you trade, for example, with full position, and imagine you are not using stop losses, your account with 1 week in couple of seconds get wiped out. So your trading is over, so game over. So you have to talk, we will talk about risk management and position size as well in these videos. And chart reading and charting, this is already what I mentioned, and trading time frames like 5 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, and so on and so forth, or 1 day, 1 week. There is different trading time frames. But one thing you should know is that each professional traders usually use not more than 2 trading time frames. Me myself, I'm using 5-minute time frame and I'm using 1 hour time frame, guys, to make my trades. And rarely I look at 1 day's time frame as well, just to see what is chart drawing and to understand charting and understand what is happening with the chart. But we will talk about this when we will talk about charts. So guys, education, this is the second thing. All these things, here you go guys, emotions, they go over all these things and you will have a good education on trading. So now you are prepared. As you can see, we had these 3 steps: preparation, then you have education, and once you have education and you prepared, you know what is financial instruments of different types, and you have picked your broker and charting tools and so on and so forth, and then you educated yourself, then we move to trading strategy. And here should be also one more thing: trading plan, which you should have. And this should be written down in a written form. So if you have a trading strategy and trading plan, these are 2 papers pretty much, which shows you only way or only time when you can take a trade or when you can open a position. You can call it however you want. This means when you can press a button on your broker. And if you are not following your trading strategy and trading plan, guys, most likely you will lose all your money. And professionals always follow their trading strategy, and each professional has their trading strategy and trading plan. And in these videos I will show you how you can create your trading strategy and trading plan. And we will not start with these 2 because obviously there's no point, because you don't have enough education. You don't, as a new trader, I believe that many of you who will be watching this video, you are brand new to trading, you don't really know how to trade, and you don't understand what is indicators, what are chart patterns. So we will talk about this all in my videos, guys. So yes, this is pretty much for introduction for this video, guys. And if you found it useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in my other video.